Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SatoshiSync token. Ticker symbol is SSNC, and this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is being listed very soon, exactly April 4th, 10 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Gate.io. So this is one way to get it. I know Gate is not available in everybody's area, so we'll go over a couple different ways to get this token. But starting on April 4th, if you don't have a Gate account, you can download Gate from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or open an account on Gate.io. Go into the trade section and search SSNC after you open an account and fund your account with USDT. And then you would search the ticker symbol SSNC and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this is also on the Ethereum blockchain, this token. Now, they only have 4 holders, so it's not available on UNISWAP yet. But eventually, probably around the same time it gets listed on Gate, it will go over to UNISWAP for purchase as well. So you'll be able to get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, with ETH. Go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your ETH for this token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, SatoshiSync.com. You may have to set slippage if they have taxes. It says here there's a max total supply of 1 billion tokens, ERC20 token. 2.5% of the tokens go to seed round, 6% private, 5% public. 32.5% goes to treasury, 15% marketing, 15% development, 5% initial liquidity, 15% team, 4% advisors, and they don't have a white paper yet, but they do have a light paper and a document section that I found. And on their Etherscan here, it says 18 decimal places, and yeah, only 4 holders so far, so it's not available at all yet. And if you look for it on Etherscan, name of the token is SSNC, and that's also the ticker symbol. So yeah, if you go over to their webpage, they have a learning section where you can click on documentation, brand kit, light paper, or blog. They have a community section where you can click on leaderboard, ambassador program, or governance. And they have an app section where you can click on inscribe, bridge, or liquidity. And they have a section that says connect BRC, get early access, connect EVM Sol, and yeah, lots of buttons you can click on there. So the first permissionless chain agnostic protocol for inscriptions and Bitcoin L2. SatoshiSync is the first permissionless chain agnostic protocol for inscriptions and Bitcoin Layer 2. We simplify making Bitcoin Fi with liquidity, our permissionless protocol designed to deploy, mint, and bridge inscriptions. So SatoshiSync pioneers permissionless inscription markets on BRC20, enabling easy customization and one-click bridging to ERC20 or any EVM-enhanced liquidity, establishing a truly decentralized inscription open market creation tool. As the first cross-chain inscription market maker, SatoshiSync requires no code or technical knowledge. Our solution empowers users to bridge Bitcoin Fi tokens seamlessly, creating cross-chain marketplaces on Ethereum, Solana, and other EVMs. Our key technology, EncryptSync and the Satoshi router and Satoshi Bank, play a crucial role in enabling the diverse capabilities of SatoshiSync. So SatoshiSync emerged with a vision to address a major issue affecting the emerging inscription and Bitcoin Layer 2 markets. At the core of SatoshiSync's overarching vision is to open a gateway for aspiring projects to enter the BTC-Fi space seamlessly without any coding skills or knowledge, fully permissionless. So one platform for the new inscriptions revolution. They have the Satoshi dashboard, track Bitcoin Fi holdings, cross-chain, and manage your portfolio in just one dashboard. They have EncryptSync, create new inscriptions in just a few clicks with zero knowledge. And they have the Satoshi router, bridge a BRC20 assets cross-chain and gain liquidity whenever you want. So they have their webpage, SatoshiSync. They have a Twitter at SatoshiSync, which I'm going to put on the screen somewhere. Telegram at SatoshiSync. They also have a Discord and Medium as well. So their roadmap, it says SatoshiSync is shaping the future of blockchain interoperability. And it's not just a concept, but a reality. So they have here, starting with phase 1, research and validation, then validation of market needs, launch EncryptSync beta test, Satoshi router beta test, portfolio tracker, launch of the sync token, stake the sync token, Satoshi Sync governance portal, then establishment of developer community and ecosystem support, launch of the protocol v2, bridge smart routing, bridge aggregator, integration with layer 0 and Bitcoin L2s, and then coming in the distant future, integration with additional DeFi products, further network and token support, and aggregator tax, DeFi tooling, and liquidity provisioning. Very tiny print on that roadmap there. So yeah, you can check out all this stuff about, their ordinals, inscriptions, provenance, Satoshi dashboard, Satoshi router, all their utilities, all that type of stuff. We went over tokenomics, all that stuff already. But yeah, you can check it all out on their webpage, or syncsatoshi.gitbook.io is their full document section. So check that out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.